What's up friends, Andrew here. Welcome back to the tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to embed Google Maps in Notion. So as you can see here, I'm on a new page. I'm going to just call this page here Google Maps as for example, and at the bottom here I'm just going to type the word embed, right? So / and type the word embed. Right now, once you click an embed from here, you'll have the option to embed a link, and so we need that Google Maps link. So I'm going to open up a new tab here on Google, click the Google apps here and find Maps. And as you can see here, once it loads Maps, you just need the Maps URL from here. So go ahead and copy that, right? So it can be just, let me go ahead and refresh this page here. It doesn't have to be a whole map link, but it's you just want to go ahead and copy it, right? So once you copy the link from Google Maps, guys, all you have to do is paste it here in the embed section. You click an embed and it's going to embed Google Maps for you, right? And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple. That's how you go ahead and embed Google Maps in Notion.